Assalamu alaikum dear guys. I make a diagram of human brain and label it. Dear guys, first of all we started the part of hindbrain, pons, medulla oblongata and upper part show midbrain. Next, dear guys, I make a part of human brain, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, thalamus. Pituitary gland is pea-like structure. Next, leaf-like structure show the parts of hindbrain, leaf-like structure. Next, dear guys, these all parts label it with different color. Next, dear guys, we make a dotted line structure, and these dotted line structure show the upper parts of human brain. Next, cerebrum part is filled with the help of marker, and these parts show forebrain. Next, dear guys, we label it with the help of marker with different color, and this diagram is complete.